Let me blow your mind. Do you know you can actually earn for browsing for using your mobile data as you normally do? In this video, I'm going to show you how I get to make money for using my mobile data. This is something I've made so much money from, and I found it pertinent to share it to you. So I ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video out so other persons can actually learn of this opportunity on how to make money. Making money is sweet, but getting paid for doing nothing is sweeter. We have play to earn, we have move to earn, and now I present to you browse to earn. So ensure you stay tuned to this video, and I'm going to show you how I get to make money for using my mobile device. Now, how you can actually make money from this is using a MiFi. Most MiFi just allows you to connect to the internet and you can actually browse. But this MiFi I'm going to talk about today is one MiFi that makes money for you while browsing. So whatever data you are spending, the more you spend, the more you earn. You are spending data for your consumption, but at the same time you are mining cryptocurrency, which you can actually withdraw, and I've withdrawn a lot of times, which I'm going to show you in this video. Now, the MiFi we are talking about right here is called Wicrypt. Wicrypt is a MiFi that allows you to mine cryptocurrency while browsing. This MiFi enables you to make money while browsing. The data you normally spend on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and the rest of that, you can actually convert it to actual money. You can actually use it to make money. And in this video, I'm going to show you the various times I've withdrawn from this MiFi and how I actually get to make money for using this MiFi. And yes, by the end of this video, I am going to show you how to get access to the Wicrypt MiFi, and I'm going to do a follow-up video that is going to show you how to set up this MiFi once you get access to it. Getting this MiFi is really simple. Setting it up is really simple, although it can be confusing, but I'm going to do a follow-up video that will explain how to set up this MiFi and get started making money. I am Ycrypt Chiboyim, popularly known as Ezemo Blockchain, the founder and CEO of GIDA, which is Ycrypt Digital Academy, a crypto and blockchain tech hub where we talk about crypto, blockchain, and tech. Ensure to like this video, subscribe, and yes, join our Telegram group in the video description. There you get access to a lot of information about cryptocurrency, blockchain. We have weekly sessions where we explore these things in depth, and let's jump right into it. So I'll show you how this is done. So let me open up my Wicrypt app. You can actually get the Wicrypt app from Apple Store or Play Store. You basically just go there and search for Wicrypt. Search for Wicrypt and you're going to find the app. This is how the app looks on Apple Store, same thing on Play Store. Then there is their website, Wicrypt.com. So let's open up the app, and you can see my app right now, and you can see how much I've used so far. This is 55 gigabytes. This is my total, what I've used for the past 3 weeks just on data alone. This is a cumulative result. This is not something I spent in a week. This is cumulative, so it keeps adding up. For last week, what I actually used up was 40 gigabytes. For the past 2 weeks, I've used 40 gigabytes. So 40 gigabytes to 55 gigabytes, it's telling you that for this week I have used 15 gigabytes. This is something I would not earn anything on using it normally, but Wicrypt is actually paying me for using my data. This is something MTN doesn't pay. If you use MTN, if you use Airtel, Glo, Etisalat, whichever mobile network, whether Nigerian networks or not Nigerian networks, you don't get paid for using your data, right? But watch what Wicrypt has done. Let's check my Explorer page. So my Explorer is actually where you can actually see your earnings on Wicrypt. So let's visit my Explorer page and see what they've got for me this week. So the payday is every Friday. The pay comes in every Friday towards evening time. It varies anyways, but towards evening time the pay comes in, so you can actually see how much you've earned. So let's see what I've earned for this week, if it's something worthwhile. So you visit my Explorer page. This is what I've earned this week for using my data. This is mind-blowing. 719 Ycrypt tokens. That is what, around $37 for using my data in just a week. For using 15 gigabytes of data, I am earning $37 in a week. This is mind-blowing. So you can see that earnings for 24 hours, and it's, if you click 7 days, it's still going to show you the same thing, because this is what I've earned in 7 days. The stats are always updated every Friday. So Friday is the payday, and that's when you get to see your stats, and then you can proceed to withdraw as you please. But let me blow your mind right now. For the past 30 days, let me show you my earning on Ycrypt. So you click on 30 days and you can see I've earned a total of 2,154 Ycrypt tokens. This is around $111. $111 is what I've earned from Wicrypt over the past 30 days. This is just 3 weeks into the period I started using this device. When I'm going to withdraw, I'm going to show you how many times I've actually withdrawn on this. So this is mind-blowing. Let's do a brief calculation right here so you can actually see how profitable this is and why you should jump on this. Now let's take what I've earned this week as case study. Now I've earned $37, right, for using around 15 gigabytes of data. So let's basically write this down here. So this is $37, right? I was paid I received $37 for using, so I got $37 for using 15 gigabytes. Now how much is $37 worth in naira? I'm just going to do this calculation in naira because I'm based in Nigeria to lay emphasis on the point. So let's open up the calculator. So we have $37, right? $37 times the current dollar rate, which is 700, right? 700 per dollar. This is 25,900. Mind blowing. Let's write this down. So this is in Nigerian naira. Ensure you are following me. So this is 25,900 naira for using what? For using 15 gigabytes of data. Mind blowing. There is no way I would definitely be paying 25k for using 15 gigabytes in naira. You know, I think the subscription plan I usually do, although I do it intermittently, it's 5,000 naira for 40 gig. This is what I usually do. 5,000 naira gives me 40 gig. You know, so this is actually a very good something you should actually explore. 5,000 naira gives me 40 gig on average. But you can see that with just 15 gig, I've gotten 25,900 naira. So, okay, let's do a brief addition and subtraction with what I've spent this month. Subtracting it from what I've earned this week, how much is the profit? So this is, sorry, that was 25,900 minus the, how much I bought my data, 5,000 naira. It's giving me a total profit of 20,900. So you can see my profit right here is 20,900 in just a week of using this device. So this is a good ROI. Actually, this is a very, very good ROI. Now let's look at my cumulative earnings. Let's see how much I have actually made. So this is $111. So let's do that calculation too, so you can actually see $111 multiplied by 700 per dollar. This is telling you this is 77,700. So for the past 3 weeks, I have earned. So for the past 3 weeks, I have earned 77,700 in Nigerian naira. So it doesn't confuse anybody. So 77,700 in Nigerian naira. And how much have I spent? I think that's 55 gigabytes. So 55 gigabytes has given me 77,700 rather in Nigerian naira. So for using 55 gigabytes, which I would not be paid a dime from MTN, I would not be paid a dime from Airtel. It's just you spending and spending and spending. But right here, you can actually get value for your money. So whatever money I'm spending right now, Ycrypt is giving it back in threefold. So how much have I actually spent to make this sum of money? Now let's see what I actually spent so that you can actually get an insight on how this is. So for some, I think I have subscribed just twice. Like I said, this is my 3rd week in using this device. The first week I earned $24. Second week I earned $50. That was last week. And this week, as you can see, I earned $37. Let's look at how much I've actually spent. So I've subscribed twice. Like I said, I subscribed the 40 gigabyte plan for 5,000 naira with MTN. So that's basically 10,000 naira expenditure. So 10,000 naira So this is 10,000 naira. If you are using USD, you should know how to convert it. So this is 10,000 naira for 80 gigabytes of data. This is what I have spent, but I've used just 55 gigabytes, and 10,000 naira has yielded 77,700 naira. That is around $111 when I've not even gone deep into the 80 gig. So I still have a lot more to go from 55 gigabytes to 80 gig, but I've made so much money. All right, let's check the average spend. So this is 77,700, right? So let's check my investment, if I should call it investment, because this is just basically you spending what you would normally have spent without getting anything paid for it. So this is 7,700 minus 10,000 naira, which I've spent on data, and this is my ROI, an ROI of 67,700. So my ROI, I call it ROI because they are actually paying you for using your data, so it's a return on investment, although it's technically not an investment. But yeah, using your data is an investment actually, because you are using it for something valuable, as I do. So this is what I've earned for using the Wicrypt device. So my ROI for the past 3 weeks of using this device has been 67,700 naira. So this is actually mind-blowing, using blockchain technology to pay people for using your data. Just like we have play to earn, we have move to earn. This is Wicrypt bringing out browse to earn for spending your data. So this is something you should actually check out. So you can actually, I'm going to withdraw this. So you can actually see, I'm going to show you down to the very last step on how it gets to my wallet address. This is the most interesting part of it. You are going to see how to withdraw from your Ycrypt, you down to the very last step, so you can actually see how I'm going to trade these tokens, how I'm going to make money out of this, and you're going to see my balance. So let me switch to my my other device. I like to use my Android for doing it, as I have an easier way to connect with my MetaMask on using Ycrypt browser. So I'll switch to my Android now, and I'm going to withdraw this. You click on my Explorer, because this is where you can actually see your stats. Whatever stats you're actually mining from the Wicrypt device, this is where you see it. So you click on my Explorer, and this is my reward for this week. You can see that it has shown up. This is the one I just claimed right now, and it's showing a pending status. It's showing a pending status. So it's going to come up very soon, and once it shows success, we can just click on withdraw after claiming. So it's going to go automatically show up in my wallet. So let's wait a bit, and we'll continue the video from there. So you click on claim. So once you click on claim, it's going to ask you to select your preferred wallet. I use MetaMask a lot, so I choose MetaMask because I've even configured it. So as you can see, it says you are claiming 719 Ycrypt tokens to this address. Do you wish to do this? Let me basically take a screenshot of this. Give me a brief moment. So I've taken a screenshot of this. So I click on save and claim. So upon clicking on save and claim, you can see it says my request is submitted, and yeah, I can actually view my claim history right now. So a screenshot of this once more for reference purposes. So I click this to see my view claim history. So you can see my claim reward, my mining reward payout has been approved. So I can just go there and proceed to withdraw my token. So let's do that quickly. Basically visit dashboard.wicrypt.com to access your dashboard. That is what you find on a mobile app. To access more features, you can access more features on the web version of it. So dashboard.wicrypt.com leads you to your Wicrypt dashboard. So we click on the menu and my Explorer page. So on my Explorer, you can see now it says your claimed Ycrypt WNT Wicrypt network token balance is 719. So what I have to do is withdraw. So let's click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, a message is going to be sent to your MetaMask for you to sign. So there's going to be a transaction sent to your MetaMask for you to sign it actually. So let's check our MetaMask if the message has come in. Alright, so you can see the message has come in. So you can see the message has come in that a transaction is trying to occur here. So I have to confirm the transaction. So click on confirm. And yeah, you can see claim reward from where is it coming from, pending. It says dashboard.wicrypt.com, and once this transaction is confirmed, my reward will automatically come up in here. So let's quickly check the Wicrypt dashboard, and it says congratulations, your withdrawal was successful because I've approved it. right there in MetaMask. So this is very fast and it's been confirmed. We have our 719 Ycrypt tokens right here. So I'm going to send it to the exchange where Ycrypt network token is listed is on MEX. You should know MEX exchange. So I'm going to withdraw this to my MEX exchange. To my MEX exchange. So a brief moment, let me quickly I think I have the app. I have the app of the exchange right here, so I can just basically visit this, get my wallet address, and see that. Okay, so let me basically do this. Deposits. So what I want to deposit is Wicrypt network token WNT, and it's on Matic network, not on Ethereum, to save gas. So you click on deposit to get the wallet address, copy it to clipboard, and go back to your where you want to withdraw. So I'm trying to withdraw this, send it out, and you paste your wallet address here, and then how many Wicrypt tokens do you want to withdraw? Everything. So you click on next. So on clicking on next, you have to confirm this transaction, and once the transaction is confirmed, it's going to automatically show up in our MEX account. So yeah, our deposit has come in. You can see my balance has updated. So let's check what we've got specifically. We've got WNT Wicrypt network token, 720 of it, worth $38. To trade it, you basically just click this and you can see the pair WNT USDT. So you click on the pair. This is basically normal trading that you're aware of. You click on, I usually use market order to sell off. I just want to show you how you can actually do this and get USD from this. So 100% is what I want to trade. Alright, I want to sell. Yeah, so 100% is what I want to do. Available balance is 720.62 WNT, and simply put this take the slider to 100% to say you want to sell everything, and then you click on sell. So you can see my total balance right now. My total balance is what, 112 USD, 111. Obviously, as I showed you earlier, everything you've seen here is my reward for the past 3 weeks. I've been stacking it up on the exchange, doing nothing with it. Withdraw to the exchange, trade it to USDT, and hold on to it. You've seen how interesting this MiFi is, on why you need to jump on it. Now, how can you get access to this MiFi? Now, the Wicrypt project is a startup, right? And they are currently based in 2 locations in Nigeria. You can actually go to their website to order for the MiFi. This MiFi are of various varieties. There is the Lynx, which can take up to 32 devices at a time, which is the one I currently have. You can connect up to 32 devices at a time. Then there is the Spider, which can take times 2 of that number. You can take over 70 devices at a time, and you can actually get access to this MiFi by going to their website, and you can actually purchase from there, www.wicrypt.com. You can go there and you can purchase the MiFi, either the Spider or the Lynx. The Lynx is just around $1,000 at the time of making this video. But let me blow your mind. Wicrypt is giving the device out for free. You can actually get this MiFi for free. Wicrypt is running a jumpstart program, just like the previous video I did, where Binance is running a beta for their Binance Pay platform and giving 1.55 BUSD when you test out the platform. Be sure to check the channel, and you're going to find that video of how you can actually get free 1.55 BUSD if you're a Binance user for testing out their Binance Pay platform. Now, Wicrypt is giving out this device for free. You can actually get the device for free if you partake of the Jumpstart program. Now, the Jumpstart program is running in Enugu and in Lagos. So you can actually get the device if you are in those locations. If you are not in those locations, I bet you this is a good reason to travel and get this MiFi. So how can you get this device? It's either you purchase it on their website for the amounts listed there, or you can get it for free on the Jumpstart program. The Jumpstart program is like a beta program, like I said, where you can actually get to test the device, use it, make money from it. Then the only difference is that you get to split your earning rewards with the project. So 50-50 is being split until you are able to make up the amount that you are meant to pay for the device. So this is a good deal. This is a good deal. You can get it for free, or you can just go ahead to purchase one off and you get to mine, you own the device fully. But if you partake of the Jumpstart program, you can get the device for free and make money with it. Let me know in the comment section if you get your Wicrypt device and how much you've made so far. And yes, how is the device serving you? Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and yes, do share this video with other persons so they can actually get access to this content